This is day 1 of Vlogmas. So chilly. Bit chilly, no?
So we like also the job.
This is just the start. This is our start.
Yeah, that's ours.
Oh, sorry, I thought it was the mask. This is our normal one.
Bro, it's so long. Galinda. This is day 3, so I will just get. Hi guys, here at Mama Bun's Cafe. Nice this Pistachio and buns. Buns with Nutella. Mama's buns. Mama. Here is Mama. These are our drinks.
Magpa-extra gani.
Ano ma? Makancel ka.
Mudugang sakit.
Okay guys. Taste test.
Dito nga dati ko daw.
Ay, oo.
Aga pa masabi dire.
Taste test. It's so nice. Wait lang. So nice. Buns with Nutella topping. Pagkanta ko sulti. Often na makancel ba? At the grocery store. Looking for a moisturizer.
Look at this. Kapasa pa.
Going home. Good pose. It's so cold, guys.
Dili na. 2474.
Antay lang kami ng
There.
Uber.
Muna kasi siguro dato.
Ah, tura! Philippine, no kabala! Okay guys, so we just got home and let's do a quick haul. Got these boots kay Tinay. It's a dress. This dress from Bershka. Got this top. Trench coat. Got some rings. Sweater. Also sweater. I bought these tights. This one is my mom's. And this one, I'm excited to try. This is hers. This one is so nice. This is also hers. Long sleeves. Then these pants. And another sweater. Puro sweater, guys.
You want some more? You want some coke?
Good morning, guys. Get ready with me to watch Wicked the Musical. My hair is definitely a mess. Hair curler gone wrong. But I don't have time to do it again. I wasn't able to thread my eyebrows, so it's also a mess right now.
Kaya, mama, may gasa mo ito.
Fit check. Sige, post.
Okay, ano video? Wala po kong sumangers.
It's finished. It's cold. Selfie na pod. The sunset is so nice.
Palitan ko yun yung dito sa kuan.
Indian food for dinner. Good morning, everyone. It's day 3 of Vlogmas. So I just microwave the leftovers kagabi. Nawala ng kuryente. I don't know why. So wala kaming itinerary for today. I think we're just gonna go get groceries. Then after that, wala na. I'm hungry. Hindi ko nakakain kagabi because my tummy was acting up. The first night that we arrived here, we ate at this Chinese restaurant. And then I ordered like a soup. A creamy mushroom soup. Kasi yung soup is medyo, hindi ko gets, pero parang ang super thick na consistency ng soup. And like, puro cream. I think yun yung reason kung bakit sumakit yung tiyan ko. And TMI, I'm sorry guys. I'm talking about it while I'm eating. But anyway, that's that. I could eat this every day. So nice. Nandito na yung mga cats. Kasi pinapakain ni mama yung mga cats dito sa compound. So, nakaantay lang sila dito. Yan, may isa pa. Ang dami nila guys. Siya. Diyan lang siya nakapatong always. Kasi diyan yung kusina. Hala, ang dami nila. Hi! Pinakain na sila guys. So, it's still cold today. I think nasa 8 degrees Celsius pa rin yung temperature. Kaya medyo malamig talaga.
Napadi usa. Napay usa diri nga katong.
He's fine. Look.
Thank you. Tikman. Tikman din ito.
Ah, that's fine. Thank you.
Tikman niyo itong matcha.
Wala pa.
Thank you. I don't know. Thank you. Thank you.
Pistachio granita. Taste test. Looks so yummy. Nasa ano kami guys? Sephora. We're looking for the Rare Beauty lip balm. Le mini macaron. Ooh, Millie Bug. Oh, they have minis also. Millie. Oh. Oh. They have mini, oh. Mini. Oh. Anyway guys, wala yung hinahanap ko sa Rare Beauty. Turns out, hindi ko pala siya nare-release. Mini Smack Up. Huh? How about this one? Pero oh, lip oil. Cute siya. Cute pa. Where's more? Can I have this instead? Peach. Ooh, need na kong plump. I'll just go back. Next year na lang kaya gusto ko na ko tong lip balm. Hello, Modo parallel. One. Hi guys, so this is hours later. We are already home and it's almost dinner. Mama is preparing something for us. Ew. Dinner is served. Wow, thank you so much, Mother. Very nice. What do you think?
Eat my mushrooms.
Mashi. Mash.
Imuha na. Papa ni mo.
Wow, chef. Isa siyang chef. Yeah. Big back, big. Bye. That's for day 3 of Vlogmas. Video naman. Welcome to day 4 of Vlogmas. We're
So,
at
asa na
King's
ka
for lunch. Octobody unboxing. Wow!
Paano na mo?
Unboxed. Oh, let's try. Octobody. Uy! Sandwich. Chicken.
You ask if you know your support. No problem.
We are at Riyadh Gallery. You might be wondering why puro mall yung pinupuntahan namin. Wala nang iba. Kasi yun lang yung pastime ng mother namin. Look! Patay ka, mama! Tapos we just bought things that we need for Christmas Eve. Dito naman. Tando lang. Sama. Ano, yes. Mga nung mall raman na itong ginagawan.
Saan yung gusto nga? O dili ta mall, restaurant.
Hi guys. Oh my god. Mother cat. When are you gonna feed us?
Okay.
Wala kami masyadong ginawa today. Just a few errands. My mom was up for her consultation but wala yung doctor niya kasi on break daw kasi it's the holiday and all. Yeah, that's it for day 4. See you tomorrow.
Good morning everyone and welcome to our day 5 of our week of Vlogmas. Today is December 23.
It's crazy. It's almost Christmas already. Say hi to my friend.
I'm starting the vlog at the kitchen again because I'm gonna heat leftovers na naman ulit.
It's actually, what time na ba? I think it's almost 8 o'clock in the morning.
We are both hungry. Chill ka dyan.
So this is our breakfast.
It is so good.
Lahat na lang kinakain ko dito so good. Pero seriously, it's really nice. Let's eat. Bon appetit. We'll be going outside for groceries again. Pero hindi na kasama yung kapatid ko. Kami lang ni mother. So I just washed my hair. Wala pa ako makeup. I just put on sunscreen. And ito lang muna ilalagay ko. Benefit was all the rage before. Deserve naman kasi it's nice. It really gives a natural finish.
here.
Napala bang
Yun na lang. Oh my god, guys, it's so cold. Hindi yun. We are going home. Uli na tama? Yes. Nagkaya si Tintin. Dilit na siya musulti. Ayaw na niyang maglihok and mag-talk.
My goodness.
Kasi it's super ginaw. May padrita mo selfie. Lang. 2, 3, go. Riyadh 2025! So, we're at home. Hindi na kami nagtagal doon kasi sobrang lamig, guys. And sayang kasi ang ganda ng place, ang ganda ng everything. The modernity. The modernity. But anyway, let's unbox these na pinabili ko sa Amazon. So, let's open this. These are the microphones. And may kasama na siyang, ano tawag dito? Wind something.
Okay, so I think I've connected it successfully. And my sister is playing her TikTok FYP in the background. So I'm gonna try this if gumagana siya. So hindi pa siya naka-ano guys, naka-connect. Okay, I'll connect this.
Okay, is this better? I hope it is better. Oh my god. Okay ko na ba? Tomorrow is already Christmas Eve. Tonight is Christmas Eve Eve. So happy Christmas Eve Eve to you all. And we're excited to share our day tomorrow. So see you tomorrow, guys. That's the end of day 5. Goodbye. Good night. Good morning, everyone. It's day 6 of Vlogmas. Today is December 24. Merry Christmas! Eme. Over naman. It's time! We're just fixing our Christmas table for later. What are you making?
Scrambled eggs.
Is it good?
It's batok.
Why did you have to do it, Batok?
I did not mean to batok.
It's so fun! Breakfast, eggs, spam, pizza, and uncooked rice.
Picked up our food. I've been in a restaurant.
So we got our food from Taster's House. It's like a Filipino restaurant dito sa area. And ito na yung mga in-order ni Mother. We have people coming over later. More of Ma and Pop's friends. So now, we're just looking for clothes. That's red. For my sister to wear. So Vlogmas is about to end. Vlogmas is ending tomorrow. Finally. My god, kapoy they edit oy. But I might do it again. It's almost 12 in the midnight sa Pilipinas. So, Merry Christmas! Guys, bad timing. Bad timing ang aking headache. Yay! Tapos my stomach is gurgling again. This is not good. I wanna eat a lot. But my stomach is saying no. Yay, we got Instax. Let's load it. Anyway, guys, let's get ready with me na lang. Let's get ready. So let's just retouch our blush. Put some highlighter. Then I'm just gonna top it off with glitters. Glitters, glitters, glitters! I love me some shine. Wala akong ibang powder, guys. Ito lang yung powder ko. I'll just fix my hair. Wow! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Bakit ka naman nag-whisper? Ready for dinner. Actually, ready na akong kumain. I'll show you the food, guys. Ready na ako talagang kumain, guys. I'm so ready to begin. Mama's special menu of the day. This is the chicken that she cooked. And this is her charcuterie board. Hello everyone, Merry Christmas. Hey, it's December 25. This is our last day of our week of Vlogmas. Merry Christmas to everyone who's watching this wherever you are in the world. Oh my goodness, guys. So we just had our dinner last night, our Christmas Eve dinner. However, um if hindi yung tiyan ko yung sasakit, yung ulo ko na naman. Which is, for me, having migraines or headaches is like a common occurrence na. Pero oh my goodness, tinapat niya pa talaga na Christmas dinner and we had people coming over. So, wala talaga akong energy. I just I just ate whatever I could eat kasi wala akong appetite. So, sana nga ako? Wait nga. Because someone keeps going upstairs. Nahihiya ako mag-yap. Hindi ako nag-film all throughout the night because I wanted to enjoy the night with the family. Yun nga guys, Merry Christmas to you all. I hope you had a wonderful holiday. If ever you're with family or if ever you're spending this Christmas on your own, I'm wishing you a happy, happy, happy holiday despite the realities of life. Pero anyway, this is the last day of Vlogmas. I'm so happy I finished the week of Vlogmas. Although hindi ganun ka-coherent yung mga clips. But yeah, this is me documenting everything. And I hope you enjoy my little documentation of how we celebrated our holidays and how we enjoyed our first 2 weeks here in Riyadh. This is actually my first time here. It's my sister's second time. And we just visited for the holidays because my parents are here. So instead of them coming back to the Philippines, kami naman yung pumunta dito and I'm really grateful for them for doing that. So today, for our Christmas brunch, we are going outside. Anyway, guys, I can feel some pressure in my temples pa, but I think I'm just gonna go eat breakfast, take some medicines, rest a little bit, and then prepare to go out.
Ferlin and John, thank you and Merry Christmas. This is 14. To my hubby from me. To Ren from dad. To wifey from hubby. This is mine. Okay, unboxing time.
Okay, guys, this is the fit. We are going to lunch at the Ritz-Carlton. So, let's go.
Here it is, huh? Before it became a hotel. Palace. It was a palace for one person.
We have arrived. This is my third round. And desserts na yung sa kanya. I'm just finishing my last round of beef. It's blurred because the light is not giving. I'm just finishing my rib. Rib. This is rib, diba? So, how's your meal? Did you like your meal? I like my meal. Wow, amazing. I'm so full na, guys. Busog na ko, guys. Wala may nipilit na po umudugang. But the place is amazing. The food is amazing. Pistachio and strawberry. Okay guys, we are home. Get ready with me as I end this vlog. I'm just using this makeup wipes first before I wash my face. So thank you so much guys for watching my video up until this point of time. If ever man na nakaabot kayo until dito, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed my vlog. And thank you for letting me share this amazing trip with all of you. I guess that's that. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye! Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays.